This right here is the fire pit ring. So this is going to be called the Smokeless fire pit ring, and all it is, it's going to be screwed together just like this. They give you all the hardware. This is what it looks like. It's basically a big circle. So this is going to be easy to put together, everybody. I'll screw this together, screw that together, and then I'll come back and show you what we got. Very simple to put together. You just run these Phillips head screws through the back, and then it's like a little nut on the inside there, and it gives you all of the hardware. You get this little wrench right here for the screws. It goes like that, and then you get the other wrench is this little open end spanner right there, and that goes on the inside, and you tighten it all down. Pretty simple. That thing looks really good. So this is a smokeless fire ring. I do have a fire pit over here, and what I'm going to do is just fit it down inside the fire pit to kind of keep the fire pit more contained. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just installed it here, and you see how I did it. So these rocks are some rocks that I built a fire pit in the backyard, but the problem is a lot of the ashes and coals would get up under the rocks. This ring works perfect like this, and it's got these ventilations around the top and the bottom to give it a little more airflow and makes the smoke go more consistently up like that. You can see how it looks. That looks nice. I like how that turned out. Got a little bit of fire going. See you all in the next video.